Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to knit this stitch here. It is knitted with the right twist, so it looks sort of like cables, but it is just knitted with the right twist stitch. And I wanted to make this video to assist with my grapevine beanie. It's a really old pattern, but I'm knitting it this time with worsted weight, so I thought I would provide a tutorial to help with that pattern. If you wanted each of these edges to match, then you will need to cast on 2 more, so it'll be multiples of 4 plus 2, and then you'll start with purl stitches. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to use some leftover yarn I have here and some double pointed needles. For this stitch pattern, you want to cast on in multiples of 4. I'm just going to work a small sample here. I have 16 stitches. So you want to knit 2, purl 2. So knit 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then purl 2 stitches. 1, 2. Okay, so just repeat that across. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2. So today's weather has lots of clouds, and what that means is it's very hard to control my light for this video. So I apologize for that in advance. You want to repeat that for a total of 3 rows. That was 1. Here is the second one. Knit 2, purl 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, I have 2 more rows. Just repeat, knit 2, purl 2. So for row 4, we're going to knit 2 together, and this is a right twist. Okay, we're going to knit 2 together, and then you do not want to slide your stitches off just yet. You want to then knit the first stitch, so you want to insert your needle between those 2 loops and knit the first stitch, and then you want to pull it off your needles. Then you just want to purl 2, and for the knit stitches we're going to work another twisted knit stitch. So knit 2 together, and then without pulling this off yet, insert your needle between the 2 loops to knit the very first stitch, and then you can pull it off. Purl 2. Okay, knit 2 together, but remember not to pull your stitches off the needle yet. Split those 2 loops and knit the first stitch, and then you can pull them off and purl 2. Okay, so just repeat across. Knit 2 together, split that up, knit the first stitch, then pull it off. Okay, so now we've created those right twists. Okay, so repeat rows 1 through 4 until you're happy with your size. I'll go ahead and knit a few more rows and show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just going to cast off real quick. Okay, so this is what the stitch looks like. And this is the back side. The front side has the right twists. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.